Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader on your PC step by step. Adobe Acrobat Reader is a free application that lets you open, view, print, and sign PDF documents. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your PC. In the address bar, type get.adobe.com/reader and press enter to open the official Adobe Acrobat Reader download page. Once the page loads, you'll see the download options. If you don't want any optional software, uncheck any optional offers that appear on the page before downloading. Now click the Download Acrobat Reader button. The installer will begin downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, open the installer file from your Downloads folder or click it from your browser's download bar. If you see a user account control prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device, click Yes. The installer will now download the required files and automatically install Adobe Acrobat Reader on your PC. Wait for the installation process to finish. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, click Finish if prompted. You can now launch Adobe Acrobat Reader from your desktop, the Start menu, or by opening any PDF file. Adobe Acrobat Reader is now ready to use for viewing, printing, filling out, and signing PDF documents. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Adobe Acrobat Reader on your PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more PC tips and software tutorials. See you in the next one.